We've been growing watercress since 1825. Grown to a code of practice, and the water it's grown in comes from the South Downs. We regularly test our water to make sure that it's clean and safe, and that it has traceability attached to it as well. We grow watercress all year round as much as we possibly can. We do struggle in the winter a little bit when the temperature goes below -4, -5. Watercress is possibly the healthiest green thing you can eat. People want to buy watercress, so we do our very best to produce it all year round. We don't make a whole bunch of money out of growing watercress, but the quality of life is much to be desired. It's great. I mean the outside, and despite what people think, it really doesn't rain that much. Even on days when it's -4, we can stand in the watercress beds where the water's coming out the ground at 11 degrees C. We don't get cold feet, and say, it's not a bad life. We distribute our watercress all over the country. It goes as far afield as Evesham and London markets, and we do make sure that all our local farm shops sell our watercress and no one else's. The watercress farm is also a really valuable place for birds and insects and what have you. If snow falls on the watercress, the snow actually protects the watercress. It pushes the watercress down into the water, and what we also find is a lot of birds come in. If we weren't here, then a lot of these birds would not survive.